If you want to install iOS Launcher on the Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store, and then over here we're going to tap on the search button, and then we should be able to use the search field at the top. And you can type something like iOS Launcher, iOS theme, iPhone Launcher, or iPhone theme, stuff like that. And then you should be able to find a bunch of different launchers that are going to look very close to the launcher on iPhones. So let's say that I'm gonna use this one over here. Let's install it. And I'm gonna show you how to set it up. However, if you don't like this launcher specifically, then of course you can try anything else that you can find in the Play Store. So let's go ahead and open the launcher. Now in here we can allow the access to the location. So of course if you want to, you can agree to do that. But in my case, I'm just gonna tap on Don't Allow. And then here we have a couple of additional permissions, so you can decide if you want to allow the launcher to use them or to have access to them. Now in here in this menu, what you want to do is you want to go to Make Default Launcher. Of course, you might see an ad in the meantime, but we should be able to skip it in a couple of seconds. Now over here, we're gonna press OK. And you need to switch from the Pixel Launcher to the iOS Launcher, and of course confirm that you want to change. There we go. Now over here, if you see this blur effect message, you can just tap on Never. And here we have now our iOS launcher. You can also go, of course, to the app library. You can see the list of apps that we have in here, and so on and so forth. Of course, you can still go to the iOS launcher app that we just got in order to find some additional settings in case you want to customize it a little bit. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.